Hi guys, Venkatesh here. Welcome to the next tutorial. We're going to download the JDK and install it. So let's open a browser and type into Google Java JDK. And click on Java SE Downloads. I'll leave a link in the description below. On this page you'll find the various versions of the JDK. The one that we want is Oracle JDK. Just go ahead and click on this. On this page, just go down to the bottom, accept the license agreement. Now, depending on your operating system, choose the appropriate download. I'm currently using a Mac, so I'll select this one. Now that your download is complete, just open the folder where your JDK has been downloaded to. The file that we require is going to be JDK-11.0.2. Just go ahead and double click this. Double click on this, which loads the JDK installer, and follow the prompts. Click Continue now. Again, click Install. Enter your password or Touch ID. Wait for the installer to complete. Okay, great. The installer has completed and it's successfully installed. You can go ahead and close this now. I don't require the file anymore, so just put it in the trash. Okay, and that's the end of this tutorial. If you've got any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments below.